Hi my lovelies and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ali Cake and in today's video I will be showing you how to get this simple, easy, cute, everyday makeup look. If you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going in with my concealer. This is the Elegant concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa, and I'll be putting that on my under eyes, my forehead, and on my chin, and wherever I need concealer, and then I'll be blending that out.
With the bow tied, we didn't stop it. Eating all the rainbow cookies, pies are flying through the roof. Arbitrary, the way they all go, knock them down like she a dodgeball. Little mess up and she's angry. One downfall, she blamed the whole team. Pack it, box it, flip it, top it. Pack it, box it, flip it, top it.
So after blending, I'll be taking my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and I'll be setting wherever I put my concealer. Okay, so now I'm going in with some brown powder and I'll be setting everything together. Majority of the time I don't use foundation, so this should be a very easy look. It's just concealer, setting powder, and brown powder, just to tie everything together. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm going into the James Charles palette and I'm using this brown. You can use any brown of your choice, any color of your choice. You could even use your brown powder, and I'm just going on just put that all over the lid to give my lid a little, something.
But I'll do it, make the cash less like a move quick. I push it hard with a new whip, cream on top, I'm about to prove it. Pack it, box it, flip it, top it. Pack it, box it, flip it, top it. My boss is Mother Mary, catch me slipping through the concrete. Show no mercy, step right on me. Still out of that, send me to purgatory.
Okay, so now it's time for liner. I will be drawing my liner from the bottom of my eye, so like not the top of the lid, from the bottom, and I'm coming outwards because it's sort of like a puppy liner and not like upwards. So I wanted it to come out straight and not angled upward like the traditional wing. Yeah, so in the video I'm just showing you here how to draw it. I hope you guys can see, and yeah.
She's angry, one downfall, she blamed the whole team. Pack it, box it, flip it, top it. Pack it, box it, flip it, top it.
Here, just adding some black eyeliner on my waterline. So now going back in with my liquid liner, and I'll be drawing some little strokes to make some fake eyelashes on the eyes, so it will give it that kind of cute, you know, look. Just adding some little strokes, as you could see in the video here. Okay guys, so these are the eyes, almost finished. So I will be doing some freckles around my nose area and by my cheeks.
Stop it, eating all the rainbow cookies, ties are flying through the roof. Not my first pick, but I'll do it. Make the cash last so I can move quick. I push it home with a new whip, cream on top, I'm about to prove it. Pack it, box it, flip it, top it. Pack it, box it, flip it, top it. My boss is Mother Mary, catch me slipping through the concrete. Show no mercy, step by on me. Stiletto death, send me to purgatory.
So now I just taking some clear lip gloss and applying that to my lips. Okay guys, so this is the final look.
Through the roof of a cherry, the way they all go, knock them down like she a dodgeball. Little mess up and she's angry, one downfall, she gonna need a reason. Get box it, flip it, top it with the bow tie, fit it and stop it. Eating all the rainbow cookies, pies are flying through the roof of a cherry, the way they all go, knock them down like she a dodgeball.
Okay my loves, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.